In general, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence focused on building computer systems that learn from data. The broad range of techniques machine learning encompasses enables software applications to improve their performance over time. There are some importance of machine learning. One of them are machine learning are able to perform manual tasks as it can process huge quantities of data. Next, machine learning perform automated routine tasks. Furthermore, they can extract patterns by retailing healthcare and scientific discovery. Additionally, machine learning can mitigate risks other than updating people's behavior trends. Lastly, machine learning able to perform image and speech recognition. All we have to know is there are three main types of machine learning, namely supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. All these three types will be discussed more detail in the next slide.
In supervised learning, data scientists provides algorithms with labeled training data. Both the input and output of the algorithm are specified. Initially, most machine learning algorithms worked with supervised learning. Supervised learning are used for several tasks of which are binary classification, multi-class classification, ensembling and regression modeling. Next, unsupervised machine learning. This type of learning does not require data to be labeled. They sift through unlabeled data to look for patterns to group data into subsets. Most types of deep learning includes neural networks are unsupervised. Unsupervised learning algorithms are mainly good for the following areas, which are clustering, anomaly detection, association rule, and dimensionality reduction. Lastly, reinforcement learning works by programming an algorithm with a distinct goal and prescribed set of rules. A data scientist will also program the algorithm to seek positive rewards for performing an action that's beneficial to achieve its goal by avoiding punishment for performing unwanted action. Reinforcement learning is often used in robotics, video gameplay, and resource management.
You might be wondering who uses machine learning. There are two occupations which require working with machine learning, namely data scientist and machine learning engineer. These two jobs work in the same expertise, yet they differ greatly. Data scientist is a new breed of analytical data expert who have the technical skills to solve complex problems. They're part mathematician, part computer scientist, and part trend spotter. They answer business questions by extracting insights of data and more familiar with data visualization tools. On the other hand, machine learning engineer works to design software, predictive models, programs, and algorithms that help machines identify patterns and take actions independently without receiving direction to perform these specific tasks. Their field of work includes building, deploying, and maintaining machine learning model, and they are more familiar with machine learning frameworks.
There are many advantages of machine learning. To begin with, machine learning helps in analyzing historical data to retain customers. Next, machine learning also launching recommender systems to grow revenue. Other than that, planning and forecasting can be improved with the help of machine learning. Assessing patterns to detect fraud is one of the advantages that we never realize that is very useful of machine learning. Last but not least, with advance of machine learning, we can boost efficiency and cutting cost of some particular project. Despite all the advantages, there are also the disadvantages in which perhaps do no bother much. One of it is it contains errors that can lead to the inaccurate models of the world. Besides, we also might face problem of machine learning bias. General know that machine learning requires software infrastructure that's surely expensive. Lastly, the algorithms trained on data sets can be exclude certain population. Now, we are going to expose the use of machine learning in industry. For financial services, a company will deploy machine learning for credit card defense, which the company places in the broader category of anomaly detection. Meanwhile, for pharmaceutical, machine learning helps to find the best sites for clinical trials and boost the diversity of participants. Furthermore, machine learning is used for facial recognition, where people previously received name suggestions for their mobile photos and Facebook tagging, but now someone is immediately tagged and verified by comparing and analyzing patterns through facial contours. Last but not least, machine learning is very useful in spam filtering in email. Successful spam filtering adapts and finds patterns in email content that is undesirable. This includes data from email domains, a sender's physical location, message text and structure, and IP addresses. Hopefully, you are not going to be surprised when in the future, machine learning is going to be as important as your life. Robots will be your assistant instead, despite the location, even in public or in your own house. This includes automation of the furniture and systems in the house. In addition, more cyborgs will be produced in order to ease your daily task. The most important thing is the advancement in medicine field so that many diseases can be cured with ease.